You want embarrassing? My God said no. Do you know? But I don't know. Am I? If you're one of those people that like you like to blend your garlic very. I don't like eating and then I will not bite the garlic. I don't like it. So I think I will do stout, juice, ice, cloves, garlic. Husband. Is there a place nice? I can't say I'm catching a little potter. Yeah, what they will mean at this. Let me wash you. Perfect. Oh, it's nice. My back said they will not restrict me. Quite cool for me. So I like me clean cooking hand towel. It's very easy. Before I drank my tea,